Have you ever dreamed of a white picket fence surrounding your American dream home? Look no further than this modern colonial style home built in 2021, located at 6811 Ballenger Run Boulevard in Frederick, Maryland. Walking in, you are greeted by an open floor plan, 3-level completed basement home with a granite top kitchen. Large windows ensure the home gets plenty of natural light. Outside, you'll find a lush green landscape, well maintained and clear. Be sure to walk from the dining room to the deck to see freshly mowed grass. The 4-bedroom, 3.5 bath home is near Ballenger Creek Park, a pet-friendly zone which offers amenities like a community pool and shopping centers. This home is presented by Alex Fernandez with Epic Realty. Make sure to call him at 703-850-4634. Have a great day.